I'm Derek Everson, the VP of Commercial Strategy here at Premium Audio Company. We're excited to show you some new products we're unveiling at this year's CES 2024. So I'll review the soundbar lineup, then I'll take you through some offering within our new Bluetooth category. So the soundbar lineup is really exciting. This is a great partnership that we launched with our sister brand, Onkyo. This is the first time that we've had a proven electronics brand for over 70 years, putting reliable, quality electronics in a proven passive speaker brand, that of Klipsch. So the Klipsch FLEXUS line is truly powered by Onkyo. Not only does it cater to performance, but there's over 1,000 tests of reliability to make sure that the end consumer is going to get a great experience for years to come. I'll give you some specifics on the product itself. The entire lineup decodes Dolby Atmos, so you can get the greatest experience when you're streaming all your favorite content, and there's a lot of advantages to each individual SKU. First, the Core 100 is coming in at $299. This unit here is going to have two 2.25-inch mid-bass drivers on the front of the unit and two 4-inch subwoofers up firing on the top. One of the things you can see here is the selection of premium materials used to give a customer a really clean, elegant design and feeling like they really have something that complements the decor of their home. Once you go up from the Core 100, you start to get into the Core 200. The Core 200 is going to sit at $449 retail pricing, and we have some serious additions when it comes to driver configuration. So the Core 200 is a true LCR bar, so it has a 2.25-inch mid-range for the left and the right, dual 2.25-inch center speakers with a horn-loaded silk dome tweeter. The horn-loaded tweeter is huge as far as the Klipsch DNA. We gave you open, clear highs, significant output without using a lot of energy. So for the upward firing driver configuration, we have two 4-inch subwoofers as well as two 2.25-inch upward firing Atmos drivers. One of the other nice elements of the Core 200 as well as the Core 100 is you can expand it through multiple different peripherals. So we have our Sub 100. This is going to come in at $299. The Sub 100 will come pre-paired with a USB dongle in the box itself. So the consumer just grabs the dongle, plugs it into the soundbar, there's no pairing process, it will automatically go. One of the other elements relative to the subwoofer we're excited about is the ability to pair two subwoofers to the system itself. So the client would use one dongle, the second one would be a traditional Bluetooth pairing process, but that will enable them to get more bass or perhaps a larger sweet spot within their listening area. The other product we have here to offer is the Surround 100s. The Surround 100s will also come with a pre-paired dongle in the box, so it will give you the ability for a quick, easy setup. So the full configuration, providing you do a single subwoofer with what you see here, comes in right under $1,000. So that will give you true LCR in the front, upward firing drivers, surround, and subwoofer. Now for the inputs on back of both of the Core 100 and 200, it features an HDMI eARC connection, a traditional IR input for easy integration, USB-C for reverse charging, an optical input, and also a traditional subwoofer output. Onkyo has been making exceptional electronics for over 70 years, and the RZ70 is the latest, greatest that they have to offer. So this model is really special. It comes with some key features that consumers in high-end AVR market are really interested in. The first one is DIRAC. So it has a full, at no cost, bandwidth license built into the unit. So the DIRAC implementation is really exceptional. So you can plug in the mic in the box that DIRAC comes with. You can do the full DIRAC calibration right inside the Onkyo app, so the customer never has to leave the app. They can get Onkyo fully calibrated, doing a full bandwidth DIRAC license. And it does have the ability for an extra fee to add DIRAC live bass control. Another feature of this that's exceptional is the ability to do works with Sonos. Sonos is a tremendous ecosystem, and they have a great number of consumers that love their products. This product has deep integration where it works with Sonos. So this enables the end user to stay in the Sonos app and gives the ability to click on living room and music comes out of the living room. The receiver will turn itself on, it will select to the appropriate input, and the implementation even goes as far as a volume pass-through, which will enable the volume of the Sonos to directly, via IP, control the volume of the Onkyo. And any Onkyo receiver that has a network capability has the ability to do works with Sonos. And the last thing to note with it, it is multi-zone compatible. So if the receiver has 2 zones, it has 3 zones, you could do 2 or 3 Sonos ports, and you can have a multi-zone Sonos system running directly through the AVR itself. Some specifics on the RZ70. The RZ70 is going to give you 11 channels of amplification and a whole slew of inputs. Coming around the back of the unit, you can see the 6 HDMIs that have full 8K capabilities, the 11-channel pre-outs with 2 discrete subwoofers. It has 140 watts per channel, and the new symmetrical Class AB RZ series architecture provides a clean, open sound. And some of the latest advancements within the product itself, via a software update in the past 30 days, it has the ability to do Auro 3D processing and also Roon Ready. So it's not Roon via AirPlay, it's a true Roon Ready using the higher end protocols to give you full resolution streaming to take advantage within your home theater application. This unit right now is currently shipping. It's gotten great reviews. Feel free to check it out. The MSRP on this product is at $27.99. The Klipsch new Music City series is extremely exciting. It's real important nowadays to make sure that you have a product that's accessible for all ages and really can take your acoustic advantage and bring it anywhere. So right now we're going to demonstrate our broadcast mode. Broadcast mode is really fun. The way it works is you will start transmitting via Bluetooth to a single unit. Once you're paired to that unit, you'll hold down Bluetooth and plus, and then that unit will start transmitting to multiple different units. So this is a Bluetooth protocol that does a great job. So if you want to come with me upstairs, I'll show you what we're talking about. Right now, we got about, I think, 12 of them hooked up, and we have them strung all the way throughout the stairs. As we came up with this, one of the things we are really concerned about is maintaining good latency so a customer can have them in the same space and still feel like it's a single audio system. Another element I'd like to call out here is this protocol works between multiple different categories, multiple different products. So you can do it between individual models, or you can also do it between our other series, the 1 Plus and the 3 Plus. Here's the Music City line from Klipsch. This is a tremendously great line. It gives you the ability to celebrate great iconic music cities with a fun, affordable, portable speaker. So first, introduce the Klipsch Austin. So this portable speaker here has an 1.5 inch active driver, 2 passive radiators, and it's able to extend down to 70 hertz. You get a 12-hour battery life with it, and it has a fun strap for a golf cart, pole, something like that, to be able to spread the music without your friends and your family. This model comes in at $99. Next is the Klipsch Nashville. This unit has drivers on the front and back of the unit to give you 360-degree sound of field. There are 2 2.25 mid-bass drivers, as well as 2 passive radiators, which give you extension down to 60 hertz. This model is retailing at $149. The Klipsch Detroit is the largest of the series. It gives you 2 1-inch tweeters, 2 3-inch mid-bass drivers, quad passive radiators extending down to 55 hertz. The battery life in this model is 20 hours. Also, the battery life on the Nashville is 24 hours. The last thing to note about the series is they are IP67 rated, so you can drop it in water and pick it back up and the product will survive. Here is the 1 Plus and the 3 Plus from Klipsch. This is a really fun product. We chose to select really premium finishes, simple connectivity to deliver a great Klipsch acoustic experience and also something that will visually complement your decor in your home. So there's 2 models. The 1 Plus here, shown in the walnut finish on the left-hand side. So it's a real walnut veneer, cold to the touch metal connections to give you a great experience as a consumer. This model has two 2¼ mid-bass drivers, one 4.5-inch woofer, two 4.5-inch passive radiators. That gives extension down to 55 Hertz. Input-wise, it'll have Bluetooth, auxiliary, as well as a USB-C. Now stepping up to the 3 Plus. Shown in the black finish here, it has two 2¼ inch mid-bass drivers, one 5¼ inch subwoofer, and then two 5¼ inch passive radiators, providing an extension to 45 Hertz. This also introduces a phono stage to take advantage of vinyl, as well as an optical input. Another thing to note about this series is you can connect these together in the broadcast mode, so they'll link up to our other series, the Music City products. These models come in at $249 for the 1 Plus and $399 for the 3 Plus.